Hello again with YouTube, and today I'll try not to fail like my last video, because that was a total fail, big time. Yeah, just let's slow down. Single player, need to find diamonds. Yeah, on this world I already found diamonds. This is exactly a mob spawner, but I changed it like to my house. Yeah, here was a mine, and I found the diamond. There, I still got more. Yeah, there. Yeah, and I got buckets of lava and water and everything. Really cool. I was like, when I was walking past here, yeah, this wasn't here, just to say. I made all of that. Yeah, I was walking here. I was just walking. Then I just saw cobblestone. I was like, Herobrine. And I'm like, hello? Dad is swearing. I'm like, mob spawner, yay! I'm like, that's the way, I like it, then I stopped screaming. Yeah, then I made that into my house. That's unlimited. Pumpkins here. I need one more. Flowers, cactuses, sugar canes. Yeah, that seeds. Trees. Takes forever. Yeah, this video is gonna be how to duplicate diamonds on 1.2.4. No, 1.2.5. Sorry. Okay. You get like 64 diamonds. Yeah. Here's your 64 diamonds. Okay. You drop them all. Sorry about that, my mouse fell off. Okay. You drop them all. Then you quit and save the title. Then you go back on it. Then you pick them up. What the? 10 diamonds. Fail. I have to start the whole progress again. Sorry about that. So you drop all your diamonds. Quit. Go back on it. Pick them up. Press E for your inventory and exit the whole game without saving. Then go back on it. Make the screen bigger. Then you go back on it. Then it doubles. See? Now I've got 2 diamonds. Good duplicating, innit? You could just duplicate as much diamonds as you want. Wait. Does it work with what's it called now? Does it work with breads? Throw them all down, quit the game, go back on it, pick it up. flying. Come on, I really want to know if it works on bread as well, because it'll be actually quite cool. It works with bread, so it might work with everything else. I need to make a diamond block now. Make a diamond block. Take it. Gold block. Okay. Drop them both. Let's try this now. Exit the game. Go back on it. Pick them up. Go in. Exit the game. Go back on it. Log in. Go offline. For diamonds, come on. And it works with both. Oh my god. This is like the best duplicating glitch ever. Like, yeah, I will be like changing my house, like to make it bigger, better, and everything like that. Like, I may be like building like my new house like over there, something like that, because that's quite a big area, kinda. Yeah, so I might be changing my house. I might be moving house. Yeah, because this is like, the flooring is cool, but the actual thing is like quite boring a bit. This is actually quite cool, this back garden thing, like thingy. So, see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.